Hi, I'm Carrie Metler, and I'm a patient of Dr. Neal's at the Lodi Dentist. I've had a lot of dental work in my life. I try to take care of my teeth, but I just got bad teeth. So I've been through a lot. I have a lot of crowns and stuff, and I was seeing my primary care doctor, and I wasn't happy with my dentist. And I said, just refer me to somebody. So he said, Dr. Neal. And I said, okay. So I started coming here. Gosh, they can look in the books, but it's been maybe 20 years. They treat you like they want to be treated. They call you, they follow up if you've had a long appointment. Dr. Neal seems very compassionate about his work. He is perfectionist, and he wants you to be happy with your smile. I think he's phenomenal, and he's very gentle, and I'm confident in recommending the Lodi Dentist and Dr. Neal.